So if adding and subtracting decimals are similar, that means our steps are going to be roughly about the same. So let's write down our steps. What was step 1 for adding decimals?
Line up decimals.
So that's the exact same step. So step number 1, line up the decimals. Up and down. So adding and subtracting, we have the very same first step. Line them up. What was step 2 for adding decimals? Lindsay? Adding zeros. That's our same second step. Add zeros to fill in empty place values. So we have the exact same step 1 and step 2. For adding decimals, guys, what's step 3?
Add.
What's step 3, everyone? Add. What do you think step 3 is going to be here? Subtract. So the difference between adding and subtracting is adding you add, subtracting you subtract. And then what do you think step 4 is then, everyone? Bring down your decimal. So bring down the decimal into your answer. So pretty much exactly the same as adding, correct, guys? Only difference, you subtract instead of add, so you got to be really careful at looking at your sign. Is my sign telling me to add, or is my sign telling me to subtract? Because I think some of us messed that up on our bell work today. So let's try this example, example 1. 42.36 minus 9.184. 42.36 minus 9.184. What do I have to do first? Line up your decimals. Which number has to go on top?
The greater number. The bigger number.
It does matter. It's not always just going to be the biggest number. It's always going to be the number that comes first. So whatever number you see first must go on top. You cannot flip-flop them like we can with adding. Is that understood?
Yep.
So 42.36 minus 9.184. Line up those decimals. What's step 2? Add zeros. Do I need to put a 0 in front of that 9, guys? No, I don't need it there. Now, can I put one there? Yeah, but you don't need it. So step 3, subtract. Can I do 0 minus 4? Can I do 0 minus 4?
No.
So what do I have to do?
You have to
Borrow from that 6. So the 6 becomes a?
5.
And the 0 becomes a?
10.
10 minus 4 is?
6.
Can I do 5 minus 8?
No.
So I have to do what?
Borrow.
The 3 becomes a?
2.
5 becomes a?
15.
15